Hi, this is Dennis Orcutt, MarineMax Lake Wylie. Today we're going to look at a 2019 250 Sun Deck by Sea Ray. We're going to start off at the stern of this boat. We have a nice big swim platform. One of the nice features of this boat too is it has a movable portion of the swim platform that lowers into the water for easy access for water sports. Okay, this boat comes with a remote radio control. It also comes with fresh water, Fusion stereo speaker. We have a nice big storage area back here that is self-bailing that can be used as a cooler. Coming through into the cockpit of this boat, the backrest does swivel fore and aft for seating either facing forward or rear. This boat is equipped with shore power for battery charging, so if the boat is on the lift, you can charge your batteries at the dock. We have a 6.2 liter 300 horsepower Mercruiser engine. Plenty of storage in this boat to port. We have a table mount at midships. Plenty of storage under the seats. We have a built-in cooler. This boat also comes with a ski locker, midships, captain's chair, has a nice flip-up bolster. The nice thing about this captain's chair too is it also flips aft, so it can be a nice sun pad. This boat comes equipped with a nice large bimini top sports tower for you wakeboard enthusiasts. Also comes with large can speakers with the deluxe Fusion stereo. Full set of analog gauges. All your anchor, power, your light controls are here. This boat comes with 2 USBs and a 12 volt to the helm. It's also digital throttle. One of the unique features about this boat is it has a nice big storage area that comes across the center beam of the boat. A nice big lockable glove box. The port side seat flips forward and aft as well. And this boat comes with a port side walkthrough. Plenty of room for the kids up here. We got a table mount. You have 4 cup holders up here. Plenty of room for the kids up here. There's also a built-in cooler. Fresh water. Your anchor locker is in the center, and this boat is equipped with a front bow ladder. If this is a boat you'd like to take a closer look at, my name's Dennis Orcutt, MarineMax Lake Wylie, 803-831-2101. Thanks for watching. I don't know if there's a better seat on any boat on the lake.